Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Z and welcome to Let's Go Crochet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Stedge Stitch. You guys, I might have just learned the stitch, but this is definitely going to be up on one of my favorite ones because y'all know how I feel about the Suzette. And here's the Suzette. It is a lot smaller than the Stedge, but again, it's a one row repeat that's almost identical to the Suzette, except it's a little bit bigger, so it is able to be worked up slightly faster than the Suzette. So go ahead and grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. We're going to start by making a slip knot. So you're going to wrap the yarn around your middle and your pointer finger, and you're going to twist it to create an X. You're going to grab it with your fingers, and you're going to pull. And now you have your slip knot. Insert your hook. You're going to chain any amount in multiples of 3 for your desired width. For this example, I'm just going to do 21. From the second chain on our hook, we're going to do a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same chain. This is our first chain. This is our second chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull through, and now yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 3, doing a half double crochet. Now we're going to yarn over, insert our hook in the same loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how we're going to start all of our rows, doing a half double crochet and a double crochet. Now we're going to skip 2, skip, skip, work into the third. All right, so in the third chain from the hook, right there, we're going to insert our hook. We're going to do a single crochet. So pull through, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops. Now we're going to do a half double in that same chain. So yarn over, go through all 3 loops. Now a double crochet. So yarn over, go through 2 loops. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. Now we're going to skip 2 chains. 1, 2, work in the third, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. We're going to continue that all the way down. All right, so that's our single crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, go through all 3 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, double crochet. All right, we're going to skip 2, go into the third, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2, go into the third, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Skip 2, skip, skip, work into the third, single crochet, half double crochet, yarn over, pull through 3, and now a double crochet. All right, now you should be left with 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. And all we're going to do is we're going to single crochet into our last chain. And now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And in this very first one, this very first single crochet space, we're going to do a half double crochet and a double crochet. So it's right here. We're going to insert our hook. You have 3 loops, yarn over, go through all 3. Now, all right, so now we're going to do a double crochet. Go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And you're going to see these single crochet spaces. And that is what we're going to be working into. So we're going to skip 2 stitches and work into the 3rd, which is our single crochet space. The space right here. So we're going to skip these 2, work into this 3rd. And now we're going to be doing our single crochet, a half double crochet, and now our double crochet. All right, now we're going to work into this stitch right here. We're going to skip 2. We're going to skip those 2, and we're going to be working into this space right here. And we're going to do that again. Single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2, work into the 3rd, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. All right, now we're working into this one. All right, and a double crochet. We have 1 more on this row. All right, and now we're going to do a color change, but we're going to go into our chain 1 space first. All right. And now we are going to grab our new color. We're going to grab our new yarn. Okay. Now we're going to turn our work. And you can see that there's the single crochet space right here. That first little hole right there, that's our single crochet. Half double crochet, so yarn over. Pull through 3 loops. Yarn over. And now we're going to double crochet. And again, we're going to repeat this at the beginning of every single row. And at the very end of the row, we're always going to end with a single crochet in a chain 1. going through our chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, and turn our work.